Hey everyone, in this video we are going to learn how to implement user registration with email verification. Before we begin, you have to install Parse SDK on your Android Studio project. Click the I button to watch my previous video where I have explained the procedure. Now before we set up our email verification feature in our Parse server, we need to create a user interface with login and sign up activity. This will be very similar to our login and user registration app which I have created previously. I won't be explaining the same procedure again, but we will fast forward the process. Make sure to check the timestamp I have provided in the description to jump directly in the email verification setup part. Let's start by creating a new project. Now let us set up our email verification feature. First we go to server settings, and inside here we are going to find out verification email option, and now we click on settings, and here we tick verify user email and prevent login if email is not verified, and now we save it. And now we are going to create an alert dialog that will prompt user to verify their email address. We start by deleting our toast messages. Inside our on-click listener, we write parse user dot logout. Here we are going to declare our show alert method. And now we are going to create our alert dialog method. And here we write alert dialog dot builder equals new alert dialog dot builder. We pass the context and we write builder dot set title. We declare our parameter string title and string message. Now we pass the string title and we set our message. Then we set our positive button. We name it OK. Now we implement on-click listener method. Here we are going to dismiss our dialog. And to show our alert dialog, we write dot show. And now inside our on-click listener, we pass the values. If there is no error, we write sign up successful. And we write the message, please verify your email and login. And if there is any error, we pass the title cannot create your account. And we pass the message e.getMessage. Now here in login activity.java file, we'll copy and paste our alert dialog method, and here we are going to delete our toast messages and write show alert, and we pass our title login successful, and we pass the Your email is verified successfully. And we pass another parameter, false. Here we declare it boolean error to check whether there is any error or not. And here we write if there is no error, we start our welcome activity. And if there is error, we write show alert, and we pass the title login failed, and we write the message e.get message, and we pass the boolean true. Now let's change the text of our welcome activity. Your email is verified. Now let's run the project and see. First, we are going to sign up a user. User, we write the username, we give it my name, hdebasish, and we write the email ID, grabmybeer.official@gmail.com, and we give a password 12345. Let's try to sign up. We see the alert dialog, sign up successful. Now we need to verify our email. But before that, let's try to log in. Here we can see the notification. We see I've got one email. And now let's try to log in. Let's enter the username, hdebasish, and the password 12345. And we see login failed. User email is not verified. So now let's verify our email. Here we see the email we got to verify our email. We click that link and open up in a browser. Now we see successfully verified your email. That means our email is verified successfully. Now this time the login will be successful. Let's try to log in. And here we go, login successfully. Your email is verified successfully. And here we are getting the message, your email is verified. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel.